Yes, students. Now we will see value-based question of chapter 7. In question number 1, in a school, out of 250 students of class 6th, X students visited an old age home. They entertained them with dance and music. They discussed about their families and children, helped them in cleaning their cupboards, but 75 children refused to visit. Find the number of students who visited the old age home and what value is shown by the students. So what is the question? Here there are 250 students in a school of all the sections of class 6th, and out of these 250, X student visited the old age home. There they entertain the old age people with their dance and music. They help them for cleaning their cupboards, and they discussed with their families and children also. So, and 75 students were not visited the old age home. They refused to visit. So what is the question? Exactly how many students visited the old age home? So this is our question number A. See here, total students are 250 and number of students visited old age home is X, and the number of students who not visited the old age home are 75. If we see these three numbers here, if we make an equation, these are the number of students who visited and these are the number of students who not visited. If we add them, we will get the total student. Here we will write ATS. ATS means according to statement. Statement means question, according to question or according to statement. So here if we add number of students visited and number of students not visited, we will get the total student. So here we have written X plus 75, 250. Now this is a very simple linear equation. Take variable to the right hand side, and if we solve it, we will get X is equal to 175. So we get the exact value of X, and X was number of students who visited. So number of students who visited the old age home is 175. And what is the value shown by the students? So value here is care for the elders, helpful, caring. So all these qualities are shown by the students who visited. Now see question number 2 of value based. During an earthquake, X students from class 6th donated rupees 25 each, and 25 students from class 5th donated rupees 50 each. If the total money collected is rupees 2000, find the number of students of class 6th who donated. So this is the question. Here X students from class 6th donated money 25 rupees each. Means one student is donating rupees 25 and X students are donating this 25 rupees per student. And from class 5th, one student is donating 50 and there are total 25 students who are donating 50 rupees per student, and total money collected is rupees 2000. And we have to find the number of 6th class students who donated. See here, total money collected is rupees 2000. And now we will write money collected from 6th class students. One student is donating rupees 25 and there were X student. So total money will be, if we multiply one student money with the number of students, so we will get 25X. So this is the amount donated by 6th class students. Now write money collected from 5th class students. Here one student is donating rupees 50 and there are 25 students. So if we multiply money donated by one student with the number of students, we will get the total money donated by 5th class students. Again we will make an equation. Here we have written ATS. ATS means according to the question, according to the statement. Here this is the money donated by 6th class student, this is the money donated by the 5th class students, and if we add this money we will get the total money. So this we have done. Money donated by 6th class students, money donated by 5th class students is equal to total money. Now this is a equation. Here this variable in the left hand side, take this constant to the right hand side. Here sign will be changed. So different sign difference, subtracted, sign will be of greater number, means plus. Now both side have single term. Take this 25 coefficient of x to the denominator of the right hand side. Now cut it. X is equal to 30. It means what was the x? X was the number of students of 6th class. So number of students of class 6 who donated was 30. And what is the quality or value shown by the students here? So the students are helpful because they are helping the needy person.